This blizzard in early March lasted for a whole week with a break for one day. The streets in the village are usually swept up and people have to leave their cars at the beginning of the street, where the terrain is more open. The tractor snowplow in our village council is one for 6 villages, and while it clears one village of snow, in other villages residents are waiting for its appearance, because it is impossible to move through the streets by car. If the first half of winter is relatively calm, then snowstorms usually begin in February and March. Meanwhile, spring has come and it is already quite warm.